So this batch is S to M1 now, or we have completed Bunny caliper, and now we are starting the theory part. We are starting the theory part. Significant figures. Better send that question. Team se bhejo. Significant figure. What is significant figure? What does it mean by significant? Significant. Which have some importance. Which have some importance. Okay. Suppose if you are writing some observation values, we are writing some observation values 2083. Sometime we can write 2.083, or we can write 300.
सर ये था।
So significant figure. Suppose if I write three values 2083, 2.083, 3001. So which values are significant? Which digit have to be taken in the calculation? तो ये गवर्न होता है बाय सम रूल, है ना. मैं कुछ रूल बता रहा हूँ, बहुत सिंपल होता है. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. अभी आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Which digits are significant, which are not significant. Just a minute बेटा. चलो, तो रूल सारे कंप्लीट कर
सर
लेते
अगर
हैं.
कोई नंबर ऐसे है लाइक 0 1 00
जीरो
0.50
वन डबल जीरो
डबल 0.50
पॉइंट
पॉइंट
फाइव.
50
ओनली दीज
इसमें
विल बी
5 सिग्निफिकेंट
फाइव ओनली फाइव.
ओके.
Okay. So first rule is all non-zero digits are significant figures. Example is this. Second rule, if zero is appearing between two non-zero digit, it will be counted as significant figures. Rule number three, if zero are trailing without the decimal point, then they won't be counted in the significant figures. Rule number four, if there is some decimal point after that, whatever the zero you're writing, you will count as the significant figures. Rule number five, sorry, rule number four, it was rule number four. Rule number five, if the number is less than 1, so the zeros appearing on the left side of the non-zero digit will be counted as insignificant. Okay, clear? Done.
Yes, sir.
So the last
Sir,
hmm?
excuse me sir. Sir, if there is a number and उसके बाद point के बाद 10 is there, so will that zero be a significant
एक नंबर है, फिर
figure?
से रिपीट करना बेटा. नंबर है
Suppose a number is there like 982.0.
982, 982
Point zero.
point zero. This is the number only, na? This is the only number.
Yeah.
और कुछ
Yeah. नहीं, nothing.
982.0.
Yes, sir.
So these are three significant figures, and after the decimal you have written the zero, so it will also be counted. So final answer will be having four significant figures.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
After
And
the
it's
after the
it is
decimal, whatever the zero you are writing, they will be counted as the significant figures.
okay, sir. And if it's 0982, so zero is not a significant figure, right?
Zero
0982. No point. 0982, sir.
0982 0982, only three significant figures. This zero will not be counted.
Okay, sir.
Done, beta?
Yes, sir.
So the last rule with the scientific notation for measurement. What is the scientific notation? If you write something like 3 into 10 to the power 8, 3 into 10 to the power 8, so it is the form of a into 10 to the power b. So whatever you are writing in the form of a, that will be counted as significant, and whatever the values you are writing in the 10 to the power b, they won't be counted as significant figures. Okay, so this is the only significant figure. Significant. This is insignificance. Okay. This is the scientific notation. scientific notation is used to write the some higher values or some lower values. Just to ensure, we will only write only significant figures, and whatever the powers in, whether it is in minus or plus 10 to the power plus 10, 10 to the power minus 10, we will write in the power of 10. Okay, this is an example. This is an example. If you are writing, if you are taking a number or you are taking a length 3.560 meter, so you can write 0.003560 kilometer, or you can write 356.0 centimeter, or you can write 3560 mm, or you can write 356.0000 micrometer. So this digit, this kilometer is having four significant figures. This centimeter is having four significant figures. This mm is having three significant figures as per the rule, and this is having three significant figures. But in your meter, in your original measurement, you have written four significant figures. You have written four significant figures. So how you will write the meter into kilometer or in centimeter or mm or in micrometer? Because the original answer was carrying the four significant figures, so final answer after taking the different unit, it must have the same significant figures. Okay, so you can write 3.560 as scientific notation. 3.560 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilometer, 3.560 into 10 to the power 2 centimeter, 3.560 into 10 to the power 3 mm, or you can write it 3.560 into 10 to the power 10 to the power 6 micrometer. So this is the way to write the actual significant figures in different units. Got it? Samjha?
Yes, sir.
If you are getting some value,
Yes,
if you are
sir.
getting some value, it is having the some significant figure. If you convert that digit into different unit, then you will get the different significant figures, and then what you will do, you will write the answer in the original form, and you will take it to 10 to the power plus or minus, it depends on the unit you are converting, from which unit to the final unit or required unit in the options. If you are converting meter into kilometer, you will multiply it with 10 to the power minus 3. If you convert meter into centimeter, you will multiply it by 10 to the power 2, and so on, so on, so on. Okay. Done. इसमें क्या नोट करना है मैं बता देता हूँ. ओनली बोल्ड वाला नोट करें, है ना. नोट ओनली बोल्ड वन, दिस वन एंड दिस वन. बाकी पूरा नोट नहीं करना है. एंड द लास्ट वन, इसको नोट कर लेना. दिस पोर्शन, इसको नोट कर लेना. इतना नोट करना है. ठीक है. The bold one, the last one, and this 3 into 10 to the power 8. It is a into 10 to the power b. Only a is significant. Only a is significant, and 10 to the power b is insignificant. Okay, then better. So rule number 7 is saying the exact number like 1, 2, 3, 4 etc appear in mathematical formula of various physical quantity have infinite number of significant figures. For example, if you are writing 2, सभी लोग यहाँ देखेंगे. If you are writing 2, you can write 2 as 2, or you can write 2.0, or you can write 2.0000. Okay, or you can write 2.00000. So this is having one significant figure. This is having two significant figure. This is having four significant figure, and this is having 3 to 5, 6 significant figure. So the exact number may have infinite number of significant figures. So you will take only that amount of significant figures which is required in the final answer, or it has been mentioned in the question that up to which significant figure you have to give the answer. Okay, done. Last rule of arithmetic operation. First, we will take a question. Answers. First one. First one. How many significant figures are there? There are four.
Four.
There are four non-zero digits. So answer will be 4. In second,
Two.
2. Only 3 and 6. Only 3 and 6. First one is having 4 significant figure and second is having only 3 and 6. So 2 significant figures. And the final answer in the third one,
Three.
which one?
602.
6, 0 and 2.
So answer will be 3. Done. सबको clear है ये?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rules for arithmetic operations. Rule for arithmetic operations.
सर
हम्म.
सर 3600 में तो इनफाइनाइट फिगर्स होने चाहिए ना.
कौन सा?
जो आपने क्वेश्चन 3600 तो एग्जैक्ट नंबर हो गया.
हाँ.
तो उसमें इनफाइनाइट फिगर्स.
लेकिन लिखा कितना है? लिखा कितना है? लिखा सामने जो है वो देखना है बस.
अच्छा ठीक
है ना?
हाँ.
लिखने पे है वो तो कितना भी लिख सकते हैं लेकिन अभी कितना दिख रहा है वो देखना है बस. ठीक है.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. Okay. Rules for arithmetic calculation है ना. These are the rules. Just a minute. There are only 2 rules for arithmetic operation of significant figures. Rules for significant figure. Okay. First rule. Rule number 1. When two measured values are multiplied or divided, there should be as many significant figures retained in the final result as are there in the original number with the least significant figure. Example, if we are dividing 4.11 with 1.2, so which digit is having the least significant figures? 1.2. It's 1.2 na? 1.2 is having 2 significant figures and 4.11 is having 3 significant figure. So you will take only that significant figure which is the least in the calculation. जैसे 2 and 3 है, so you will take only 2 significant figure in the final answer. Final answer. So answer is 3.425, but we will take only 2 significant figures because 1.2 was having the least significant figure, that is 2. So the final answer will be having the least significant figure, that is 3.4 only. Done. Clear है? सबको समझा?
Yes, sir.
And if you are multiplying a number x, 2.0 into 5.00 divided by 1.00000, what will be the final answer? What will be the final answer?
10.
10. Answer is 10. You can also write, because 2.0 is the least significant figure, 2 significant figure, it is having 3 significant figure and it is having 6 significant figure. So final answer will have only 2 significant figure, that is 10, or you can write 10 as 10.
1.0.
You can also write 1.0 into 10 to the power 1. You can also write 10 as 1.0 into 10 to the power 1. It is also having 2 significant figures. सही है कि नहीं? Clear? Done?
Yes, sir.
You can also write 10 as 1.0 into 10 to the power 1. It is also equal to 10, na? Second one, second one. In addition and subtraction, we will take the least decimal place. We will take the least decimal place. Example, if you are adding 0.307, 0.52, zero point 0.4, so zero point 0.4 is having the least decimal place. In this case, you take the significant figure. In this case, you take the decimal place only. Decimal place. Okay. So answer is coming 1.227. 1.227, but it can have only one decimal place because point 4 is having the least decimal place, that is up to one decimal place. So the final answer will be, actually we will take it in the round off way, but अभी यहाँ पे round off करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So 1.227 we will take only 1.2. So 1.2 will be the final answer. Clear? डेसिमल प्लेस उतना ही जाएगा जितना लीस्ट हो. समझा कि नहीं? समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
The last one, rounding off. So rounding off is governed by three rules. Rounding off. First two rules are obvious. We are applying the first two rules since third or fourth class. Round off कब सीखते हो? The last कौन सा class? Fifth class ना? Round off. If something is greater than 5 or equal to 5, we round off it. कुछ increase करते हैं, decrease किस class? Sixth or fifth? पता नहीं, छोड़ो. First two rules are obvious. First rule is, if the insignificant digit to be dropped is more than 5, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. Example, if you are having 3.78, so 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. So what will you do? That you will make it 3.8. Any issue with that? किसी को भी नहीं हो सकता ना इसमें. If it is less than 5, 4, तो क्या होगा? It will be 3.7. This 3.7. Clear है कि नहीं? कोई डाउट? बोलो. Any doubt?
No, sir.
The last rule.
No, sir.
The last rule जिस पे क्वेश्चन फंस सकता है. The last rule, ये थोड़ा सा देखना है. If the insignificant digit to be dropped is 5, the preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd and left unchanged if it is even. So if you are having two cases, 3.745, so it is even, so it will remain unchanged. It will be 3.74. If it is 3.775, we will increase the number by 3.78. Okay. Odd even case. Okay, done.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, if the number is 3.998, then how to do a rounding of this number?
998.
998, yes.
तो कितने तक करना है? 3 डिजिट तक करना है. So it will
Sir,
become
2 तक का.
2 तक करना है ना, तो एक इंक्रीज होता ही ये कितना हो जाएगा? ये बढ़ जाएगा, है ना. इसको आप राउंड ऑफ करोगे 10 में, तो ये कन्वर्ट होगा, तो ये 4 पॉइंट बन जाएगा ना, 4.00. ठीक है, बढ़ जाएगा ना.
सर वो 3.9 कैसे होगा?
क्या?
वो आपने 3.9 लिखे थे ना, वो
इंक्रीज हो
कैसे
गया
होगा?
ना, सब में एक एक इंक्रीज करते चले जाओ. इसका 1 प्लस इसमें चला गया, 1 प्लस इसमें चला गया, तो 4.00 बन गया ना. कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो गया ना.
Yes, sir.
what you will do, you will just do 3.99.01, इसमें ऐड अप कर देना और कुछ नहीं करना है. So this will become 4.00. Okay, clear?
Sir, if there is instead of 9, there is 3.898.
3.898.
898.
So you will just add 3.89.01. You will raise it 0.01 by 1 na. 0
Yes, sir.
9 3.90.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, done.
So why are we adding 0.01?
Because we increase the number by 1 digit.
So we have to add this in all numbers or only in such cases?
Not in the, if we are if we are mean to be make the digit to the up to the only 2 decimal place, in that case we will round off the figure, and the last digit to be round off is this one, second decimal place. Okay, so it depends on the answer. If answer is in 3 decimal place or 2 decimal place, so you will round off the digit accordingly. Suppose you are having 3.88928. Okay, and answer is in 3 point up to 3 decimal place. So you will round off this figure, as this figure will become 3.8893. Now you will round off this figure as 3.889. Okay, done. Then beta, step by step we will round off, and up to which decimal place we will take the answer, it depends on the option. If question is saying that you have to take up to 5 decimal place, then you will take the final answer up to the 5 decimal place, or whatever the question is demanding. ठीक है, done. Clear?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
finally
Yes,
we have completed units and dimension along with the error along the physical word. ठीक है, पूरा complete हो गया है.